Hey everybody, if you're interested in learning to play the harmonica, you have come to the right place. I'm going to introduce you to somebody today who can take you from a very beginner all the way up to where you'll be wailing with the big boys. His name is Doc Simons. He's a longtime player, recording artist, and best of all, he's a fantastic teacher. Stay tuned for just a moment for more about Doc. Hi everybody, I'm Russell Anderson, and my job at GearDemo.com is to find you the absolute best private instruction I can find. At GearDemo.com, we're building a registry of private instructors and tutors from all over the world that teach live via video conference, one-on-one, so that you can study from the comfort of your own home. You can ask your questions and hear their tips, tricks, and solutions to the challenges that you're having. We're off to a fast start with some great teachers. I hope you'll get on over to GearDemo.com and check us out. Okay, we're back, and we're talking about harmonica lessons with Doc Simons. And as I said in the opening, Doc is a longtime player, former recording artist, and a fantastic teacher. You simply can't make a better choice than Doc Simons if you want to learn the harmonica. Now, if you're a beginner or new to the harmonica, the good news is that Doc is a very patient instructor. He will take it slow and easy with you, and you will move at the pace that's comfortable for you. Now, if you're an intermediate or advanced player, oh, the fun you are going to have playing with Doc. He will take you where you need to go, and the two of you will just collaborate and have a grand old time. I promise you that. So no matter what your current level of playing is today, Doc will get in step with you and take you where you need to go, and you will have a great time doing it. I'll put a link in the description below that will take you directly to Doc's session page at GearDemo.com. There you'll be able to read a little bit more about him and his lessons, and if you feel like reaching out and connecting with him to ask him a question, you'll be able to do so from there. Please bear in mind there are no additional fees or commissions paid to Gear Demo. We just want to connect students with the right instructor. Something more to know about Doc is that he's a big fan of the band and has actually created an annual event that he holds every October where he brings in musicians from all over the region for one night of collaboration and showcasing the material of the band. I've been there a couple of times over the past few years, and it's quite an event. Big props to Doc for putting that together. The harmonica has brought a lot of joy to people over the years, and I know Doc Simons well enough to know that he would like nothing more than to connect with you and be able to share some of his expertise and knowledge so that you would be able to enjoy the harmonica as he has. Well, I hope you like what you've heard and what you will read when you get to GearDemo.com and read a little bit more about Doc. I wish you the very best with your lessons and your musical journeys. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.